from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making kidney bean salad. For this easy salad recipe, we need 2 cans of kidney beans, a cucumber, a red onion, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, salt, and pepper. This is a super easy salad and so healthy and so delicious. So I'm going to start by draining and rinsing 2 cans of kidney beans. So I'm just going to drain them in a colander. And rinse them. And now, once I've done that, I'm going to add them to the salad bowl. Perfect. And next, I'm going to chop the cucumber. I already washed the cucumber before making the video. It's up to you whether or not you want to peel the cucumber. I don't mind the peel, so I don't peel it. The less work, the better. So I'm just going to chop this cucumber with its peel. And now I'm going to add chopped cucumber to the kidney beans. And next I'm going to chop the red onion. So this is a pretty small red onion. If you have a huge one, then you only need half. But you know, the small one is good, just to use the whole thing. And once you chop the onion, let's add it to the salad. So all the salad ingredients are chopped and prepared. And now I'm going to make a dressing. So I'm going to use 1/4 of a cup of olive oil. And 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. And now I'm going to whisk oil and balsamic vinegar together to make a dressing. And pour dressing over the salad. And finally, I will sprinkle it with salt and black pepper. And you can add other seasonings if you like them in a salad. So just season to taste. And toss until the salad is coated with the dressing and the seasonings. Perfect. Now this kidney bean salad is ready. It was so easy to make. And let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. I love salads and this one is so tasty. So just put some on a plate. And let's try it. It's so delicious. Crunchy cucumber, zesty onion, and delicious kidney beans. They go so well together. Kidney beans are soft and it contrasts so well with a crunchy cucumber and onion, and the dressing really complements it. See how quickly I made it, and it was so easy, so few ingredients, and it's very healthy and good for you. Another great thing about the salad is you can make it ahead and it keeps well in the refrigerator for several days. So it's a perfect make-ahead salad as well. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!